Good morning, it's me Geek. So the question is that which are the best book for the Python? So the best book for the Python, let's jump to the screen and then let me show you which are the books. There are only currently 3 books which you should get. Technically there are 2 books plus the Python card. I also did the review. I'm going to show you. Jump to the screen. So this is the Head First Python. I love all of the Head First book there. This is one of the more humorous way to learn. I really love them. For example, like load important Python concept directly into your brain. Don't get pickle, use TB API instead. I really like it. I really love them, to be honest with you. It's such an amazing book to learn Python programming. I just love them. Again, you can watch the Head First review on my channel or just write Geek. Head First Python is the first. Some people say it's like released in 2016. I do not care. Even it's a second edition, it will be much better. They update in new edition, but still, right? Again, Python is Python. There's not like much changes over the last 5-6 years. Second book is Python Crash Course. Again, I already done the review on this channel. I love this book. This book is such an amazing enjoy to learn Python. And thirdly, which I recommend every Python, even the advanced developer should have the Python flashcard. I love it. I only wish that it has some kind of hard physical box, because putting back the Python flashcard is a little bit hard sometimes for me. But other than that I really love it. I really adore it. This is amazing. Wow, this Python flashcard so much fun and much fun way to learn. Again, these are the 3: Head First Python Crash Course, and Python flashcard. I hope this answered the question. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.